Good day, everyone. Welcome to the YouTube lecture channel. Today, we are going to see how to create branding elements for a YouTube channel and how to upload them to the channel. So, basically branding elements are your channel's logo and the banner that appears at the top of your channel, which is called YouTube channel art. So, how we design this responsively is the main thing. Because most of the people use mobile phones to access these channels. So, this banner of your channel should be suitable for phone devices, as well as for tablets and desktops, TV. We should make a design that is suitable for all these. So, if you make any mistake in this, then the heart of your channel will not be visible in any device. So, today we are going to see what the guidelines are for creating this channel. And what are the guidelines for the logo of your channel? So, first we are going to see about the art of YouTube channel. YouTube's recommendation is your images should be in 2560 x 1440 pixels. In this size, all the devices will be covered, but not properly. In this, the safe area is 1546 x 436 pixels. The middle part in the recommendation size is very important. Only this particular red area will appear in your phone. This complete line is yellow, gray shade and red color. All these will appear in desktop mode, like I am showing you my channel. So in this, it appears completely. The safe area in this is only this. So, even if you see this in mobile, only the content area will be shown. All the rest of the areas I have left empty. If you need anything, you can fill that place. If you see the maximum size, it is within 6 megabytes. So, where will these external links appear? It will appear in the right bottom corner. I will show you that too. If you see here, mobile no, mail, website. I have given all these. When you place your content, leave this place and design your art. Next, I will enlarge this so you will understand better. If you see, this is the safe area. So, you can place the logo and text in this. What is the main goal of your channel? 1546 x 423. Give it within a ratio. This is the safe area. Next, your logo. YouTube's recommendation is 800 x 800 pixels. When it is displayed, it will be displayed in 98 x 98 pixels. If you are creating your logo, then create your images in 800 x 800 square. So, the image format that supports here is JPEG, GIF, BMP, PNG. You can create your images in this format. So, if you have created your logo square, your logo will appear in a circle type. Keep this in mind and design your logos. Now, we will create channel art for our channel. Because, when we create, there is no channel art for our channel. Like, there is no logo, there is no channel art. So, once we create and upload, then, how will a Digital Solution Points channel look like? You will get the same design for your channel. Now, we are going to design our channel art with Photoshop. In this, you will see 2560 x 1440. Or if I create a channel art for my channel manually in Photoshop. Next, in this logo, 800 x 800 pixel. Go to your channel. Here there is an option called Customize Channel. So, click on that. Click on Branding. Here, we have to select our picture. Click on Upload. Already I am uploading my channel logo. If you see here, 800 x 800 is the size of my logo. I will zoom in and show you. So, I am uploading this. In case, if you are uploading a big size, then move it correctly and see your logo in the center position. And click on Done. So, now our channel logo is uploaded. Next, we have to upload our channel banner. Click on Upload. I am uploading my channel art here also. I am opening it. You can see my content is appearing only in our safe area. So, I am not doing anything for desktop or TV. If you are doing something for your business or TV, then design it properly. In my case, this is enough. I will click on Done. After adding like this, click on Publish. So now our channel is published. Now click on Go to Channel. You can see our logo is appearing. And also our channel art is appearing. According to YouTube, banner and logo are the branding elements. If you have created a YouTube channel for a business, then your logo and banner is very important. Based on this, they will calculate the value of your brand. So do this properly. Now you have understood how to create a channel art for all devices and upload it. If you have any doubt, comment in the comments section. I will definitely give you a solution for that. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Then all my upcoming videos will reach you soon. Thank you for watching and have a good day.